kajing temu banwan poi unang elam ka kenhun Hindu jagat guru Shankaracharya ha umroi airport menta kasngi kala pulam no kabadai hadien bala persha daki kenhun seng bhalang bapher bat wat ka sarkar bat ka bor sinchar district ru kila persha bat kem shimla ai bor namar kani kakta ya ka shongsuk shongsan ki paipa ha ka jala kumba penkan mau kani ka kenhun balai lam dau jagat guru Shankaracharya kadai ka kenhun bathumu ban wan shaka jala na ka benta ban khang bam do masi ne penyap masi kabala thumu ban pelong ya ka rally ha ka arterik urisau arhaja arpsau bat kani ka jing thumu jongka kala pulam no ha kabak lajur ka jing persha na ki babon ki seng bhalang ha ka jala ha kani ka sngi kabala thumu ban wan poi utai unang elam Hindu la sertap de ki kenhun seng bhalang na do ka KSU RBYF FKJGP HYC HNYF bat kiwei ki seng kibala up ha umroi airport ban persha wan rong utai unang elam Hindu sha kani ka jala kibabon kinong elam seng bhalang ru kila kren shai bakin persha bat kin no mailat ba utai unang elam Hindu unwan sha ka jala bat kila berngam ru balada wan da ka bor bat makiru kin pen I da ka bor bat lada ja AA ka jingkit khli kadai sha ka sarkar ha ka ba udan kam ayu banwan sha ka jala ban batai ya ka riti ka dustur ne ka rukam bam da ka ba pelong keme ya ka masi bat themu ban khanglat ya ka rukam em ka rukam bam pat ka riti ka dustur ukhasi ha ka ne ka jala
as per information, I don't want to mislead also. So, because airport people also, they have explicitly said he will not fly to Meghalaya. But from Agartala, he may fly back to Guwahati. So there is a possibility that he will come here. He cannot come on the airport because his permission to land here has been denied.
It's 100%.
It is confirmed. His location presently is in Agartala. From this chap, we can send you this. You see? To let our understanding is, since he has not been, though we are also getting passenger manifest. Any passenger, for example, his chartered flight is not coming. What if he comes by a normal flight? So we have also written to airport authorities. They are giving us passenger manifest. So we will, even if he comes by normal flight, we will not allow. So we need your cooperation. It shouldn't be.
Yeah, we understand.
We are checking Barnihart also since morning.
We also have to
Always keep eyes on police. If you want to stay here, you
just
can.
for a while, yeah.
Let us, because see, even we are also not fully, like it is confirmed that he cannot land here. That much I can assure you. But what is his plan? We don't.
Is there any possibility that he might come tomorrow?
Yes, 100. See what that is why for airport, our this thing we are taking passenger manifest till 2nd of October. Okay, so we because even we don't know. Even we don't want him here. See, it is puja time. We don't want any trouble.
Yeah.
Even Central Puja Committee also, they have explicitly come out. So we can assure you that he cannot land here. But can I take risk of assuring that can he not come by road? See, road, so you know, it's very this thing. See, we have written from 20 till 2nd. All the flights landing, each and every passenger, they have to tell us before. I have shared that with you also. So even our try is, we don't want anybody to vitiate our state's environment.
So to sum up, means that the government won't allow him, even if he gets permission to land here, he won't be able to leave the Shillong airport.
No. Our administration as well as government is very clear. No such thing will be allowed. It is for his own safety also.
Yeah, that's seen that way.
You never know, na?
But we have to keep alert from our side. Also.
Yes. So are we.
Because the person seems very determined, and so we can understand because even all the northeastern states, I was informed by my colleagues from Nagaland, I was also from unconfirmed reports that he landed in Lengpui Airport, Aizawl yesterday. So we're not sure about that, but he's supposed to come here yesterday. So today he's giving that was decision to issue a press statement. So who knows what will come tomorrow? But if government can assure us that they will not let him step out of the airport, then
Airport we can guarantee. He will not. By road, I cannot take guarantee, no. You know, people have hidden chambers also.
so then we have to be vigilant only on the streets.
See, that is a tactical call you have to take. This much we can assure from even if they land here, though he is not getting permission to land here, but let us assume he lands here, we will ensure he doesn't come out of here. As far as Meghalaya government and district administration is concerned, we have written to Airport Authority of India not to allow landing of person who can lead to potential law and order problem.
But it is said that, in fact, the Airport Authority of India has not agreed. Is it something like that?
No.
So ultimately, he is not landing.
As far as information as of now is concerned, even Agartala Airport, they have rescinded permission for him to fly out of Agartala to Umroi. But he may fly to Guwahati. And then whether he takes road route, we cannot comment on that.
But you are the SP of Revoice, so will you ensure that he don't enter Meghalaya? Because I spoke to CS, Chief Secretary, yesterday, and he said that government will ensure that he doesn't enter.
Yes, that is why we are here for, to ensure that law and order prevails and no such person who vitiates the environment is allowed.
I heard you telling the NGO leaders that if he by chance lands, then you will ensure that he don't enter, means he don't come out.
See, airport doesn't belong to the state government. There are separate rules within the airport, but outside the airport belongs to state government. So in that scenario, even if it were to happen, so we will ensure that the person is not allowed to come out of the airport. Thank you.
Hang ni nadu mana shipau buji mestap di dalam berkumpul di perlok nak ki kenhun ki baper tinggal apa ni nomor ba ngiyo kecip ba Mukesh Suar Anand Saraswati kun wan sini ban pelong ya kata ka press conference pentung ya lama ban dawa ba di ban ken bi an no ya kajing sodok masih ni ya kajing bam dok masih ya berko di India ba ban topru ya kejelam Meghalaya tinggal i uni beriu ba Pulau Persang lut abarok di jela jong ke than cedai lamini di kemnu ka respons su ka pher na koi ke jela sui ke jela nrei ni ibun di Persang ni ia po Arunachal Pradesh ko all Arunachal Pradesh students union no kalayang kala khang yung ni brio bu mi ni airport ni bena berber la kadai na kamdi shabu lit minen Mizoram tamba lalik phai no honur kom lik phai no plemi ni Shabar airport ka ba kham sana kalong sarkar Nagaland ka ba yang telim lon ka benta ki nok sok snong ki jongka bandam ai lat hre u bu mi na ke airport wan apo ka jela ka jong apo Nagaland ngir ngi lay up na du menin tang singir ngi am de se sepang ngi lek berniat amar ngi penabu ko apo Guwahati de ngi lek am berniat amar yu wan surok ngi nam ai lat de ngi apa sali sing lulur ngi up ngi nam ai lat ngi bron wan yu kejar jela jongi Wat hadin ba u SP mne lawan banyak kenduk kerpang yang ni bat ulong ba yang ni ubriu lada uwan nginam la ban khang bu uwan airport andre lada uwan airport pada nakaliang ka administration kanam ailat u ban mi sabar ke airport kata kadi ka assurance ka ba ai SP andre ni pada ngim patla ban sim sispa kata yo kumnu mi yo ban mi yo ka ailat lani yo uwan by road di nakaliang ka jungi hingin ne pit perman ba nginam ailat ubriu kumbagi jelat han stilam ngi ailat ngir minaman ailat ubriu ba uwan ban penbor yang ngi ba nyim dei shu ban bam do masi ke bam do masi ne ke bam me ko ngun ko do ka dei ka mon ke jungi ke kwa ka jungi ko lahir pateng na du permuswa kami yang akhtin pareng ka ka food habits num dan menu bala ban khang ban penbor yang ngi bingim dei ban bam ngi ban bam kata ngim dei ban bam kata
te khen bolong nakaliang kaseng nyot ter konsol hi burakawai lo kaski ke pasdang hadir ngi layu jutip ya ka jingdon jong kini ki kenhun ki ba ile ban khang ya kata ka jingbam do masi ke jongi hako ni ka jala bat ban ong ba ka kata ka masi ka dika ban pelong ki kum ka kemi ke jongki nakaliang kaseng do kaski ke ban pasdang hi ngila persya ya ka dika jing temu ya ka ba ngila don ya ka jing ban ya khang persya hang te po shlong bat kumju hadu melen kasngi ya kabang ila yo jutip ya kabang kadi kunhun ka tu ban ban bingba kadi ka tak ding sun ke badan ni ko umroi andre kumbalong hadu menta kadi kasngi ke babut jong kadi ka sngi menta ila yo jutip ba kinwan menta kasngi andre kumbalong hadu menta kadi kunhun ka pachim lawan bat kumbalong hi nakaliang ka kunhun ke jongi ni lakren dak basai ba minum ailat ya kipriu ke banabat benwan tukular ya kata karkom karkom bam kerkomdi kejongi kum ikon kasih kara apa kali kobri nyok trap di porok wei kumbolong hadu menta nakaliang kaseng ni padio jingtip la unwan andre ni kidikot kejongi hakeleng ki distrik nadu nopo is jangkia hadu ke po riboy bila don hapo surok ban pek perman ya ka jing yo ban wanrung jong kini ki kenhun di ban wan ban yuroi ya ka jabri jong
Naru minister ngilawan hang ni dalam suka River Youth Federation bangi on up itu tu beriu ship nyam suka Hindu ban landing ni po airport jangkari Mroy betul se adu mentangin pedi bau landing ni tenang leng jongi ka River Youth Federation ini apa adu mentakin ki kenta mentah ban ngimur ban apa adu sau beje ship sau stek mar bangin ko ban ala de bau landing ni ban rung hani po jela jongi ban penshit ke bam de ban penshit ban khangru ya kata ka jimbam do masih ni marbah ni jela jungi ke bakam bang maha kadiga do masi te rana uwan non pen shit ban ong ban ngin ha mane blay ya kala ngi ha ong ban nombam ke reli ru ngi nom pedang ya kata